This video is going to show a repair we had to do to the trailer on travel day when a board broke loose, and we need to fix it now. Stay tuned. Alright, so we've got our trailer in storage here at this campground over here on a line of other things at the edge of the campground. So for free they let us store it here. This thing's not having it close to the house or to the rig, but that's how it works sometimes, and free is always great. You may recall that this set of boards here, down here, used to be one piece of wood. It was on a hinge across the bottom here, and that was the flap that we flipped out so the car could drive up on there. And that plywood was too flimsy, and it kept breaking. Even though we put this metal track underneath the tire area, that board was too flimsy. We ended up buying these ramps that we put out, that we deploy to take the car in and out. Those work really well. They're very light but very sturdy. So what happened on the way here was, we know that screws and plywood are not necessarily a great combination. So I put like a dozen screws or more into this board. And the reason we put these boards in the back of the trailer, you might remember from an earlier video, is the garage door assist mechanism is fine-tuned to the weight of the door to assist making this easy to pick up. Without this board on here, it was tuned and was slamming the door super hard. So tuning these things can be challenging, tricky, and rip your face off. I decided to just attach this weight back to the trailer, and it's not that much weight, but it's the amount of weight that makes this spring work correctly as it should. So today I'm going to add a bunch of wood glue. I'm going to unscrew these, add a bunch of wood glue, and screw them back down in new spots and hope that it doesn't fall off while we're driving again. What happened is the one that's closer to me here had fallen and just barely brushed the back of the car when it fell in the trailer while we're going down the road. So that's what we're going to fix.